Always let them hook up their own car seats. So got this little Chevy Traverse to do today. I'm getting rain later this afternoon. We had our first appointment canceled on us, so we come up here to do this one before it rains. So see what she looks like on the inside. Black, dirt. And get their stuff out of it. Lots of stuff. Best thing she ever do right there is put some pads between the car seat and the seat. It'd probably save those seats. Dirty on the back side. Inside ain't too bad, Aaron. Don't look bad. Not too shabby. A lot of dust. A lot of fingerprint smudges. Happy birthday. Alrighty. So we shall get started. So we usually do one bag for keep stuff, one bag for trash, depending on how much stuff's in the vehicle. We take car seats out, but never hook them back up. Always let them hook their own car seats up. So, apparently, you can pop these little plastic things off and find all kinds of goodies underneath. Makes it easier to clean the rails and all that in between the cracks and stuff. Who knew? You can see the difference over there is the panels. And I just popped the panels off over here so we can get in all there and clean. Yeah, so they pop off fairly easy. Just kind of raise them up. They got a few tabs. It makes it super easy to clean. Because, I mean, those rails, man, they're awful. You can't even hardly, I mean, you can see all the stuff. Yeah, and then that's underneath the plastic, so gotta get all that stuff out from underneath the plastic. Just gotta remember where they go back. And we'll clean these while they're not in. Be easier to clean while they're outside the car instead of cleaning in place. You know? So, yeah. How many people go that far taking the plastic trim and stuff apart to get a better clean? Is it more risk involved than you're willing to take? for a better clean, or is it better to get the clean it deep and get it all and put it back on, because they come off real easy. But I can understand where a liability is coming. Yeah, so you gotta be real careful not to break the little clips that go in these little holes here. Just be real careful when you pull it off. And I mean, you can see if we left the plastic on, all this dirt right here from this over, none of that would get clean. See right there? None of that would have been cleaned if we don't take the plastic off. So it's gonna be underneath the plastic, you won't be able to see it. So, all right, let's get back to cleaning. Steam, hold up, it steamed it up. Well, all right, see how that won't come up? So now we're gonna steam it. Now, comes right off. Ooh yeah, ooh yeah. And this is the stuff we get off of. A little caramel, a little chocolate. Alright, so we got our steamer head out. And see, I'm gonna start here on some of these harder ones. I'm just gonna steam it. Let's get them warmed up. And then I'm gonna get my scraper. You can see they come right up. They're steaming up there a little bit. You get that crud off there. You can see it still got a little bit more, but the majority of it's gone. So I'll steam some more. And it smells like roasted chocolate right now. It smells like somebody's making chocolate, some cake or something. And I'll take a rag and wipe it just to get the residual off of it. And candy's gone. Just like that. So now we got nice, pretty clean seats. So is it just us, or when everybody's cleaning cars, they get clients, all the clients' windshield wipers are bad? We, I guess they froze to the window. The last 4, 5, 6 cars we've done, the wipers have been bad. It's been awful. It looks like we got competition today. Over here trying to clean this big truck. How you feel about the competition next door? I ain't got nothing on you. They ain't got nothing on you? Alright, good view. That big loud generator you hear, that's the competition over there. You can't even hear ours. They're so loud. Putting on that old snake oil. Good stuff. Highly recommend it to every detailer out there.